How to fix Samsung emergency calls only problem. So if you want to fix Samsung emergency calls only problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your control center. And from here, you need to turn on your airplane mode for a minute and again turn it off and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with network and internet, tap on it. And under your network and internet, you need to go with SIM card and mobile network and tap on the SIM that you are using or in that you're facing a problem and go with preferred network type, go with 2G and again go with the network type and go with 4G. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just go back and you need to scroll down, go with the apps section. Under apps, tap on see all apps, go with the upper right which has that three dots, tap on show system apps. Now go with search. You need to simply search for SIM Toolkit, tap on the application, scroll down, go with storage and cache and clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, then your problem might be fixed. Now once you've done all of these, you need to simply go and restart your device. Once you've restarted, you can check and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix no SIM cards emergency problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.